GST rates on construction materials 2023. Construction materials, here GST rate. Cement 28%, sand 5%, brick 5% to 28%. Bituminous or oil shale and tar sands, bitumen and asphalt, natural asphaltites and asphaltic rocks 18%, building bricks, fossil bricks 5%, steel and iron products 18%, building stones 5%, tiles, earthen roofing 5% to 28%, multicellular foam glass 28%, fly ash bricks 5%, ceramic sinks and bathroom fittings 28%, pipe fittings 18%, wall tiles 28%, bamboo floor tiles 18%, artificial stone, cement and concrete tiles 28%, electrical appliances 28%, copper wire 28%, marble and granite in blocks 12%, marble and granite not in blocks 28%, pebble, gravel and crushed stone 5%, glass based paving blocks 28%, prefabricated structural components for building 28%, paint and varnish 28%, wallpapers 28%, locks 18%, base metal mountings and fittings 28%, coal 5%, mica 12%, refractory bricks or tiles 18%, glass for construction purposes 18%, sanitary fittings 28%, wooden door and window 28%, aluminium windows 18% to 28%, cement block 18%, CP fittings depends on base material 18% to 28%, plywood 28%. If you want this free PDF of GST rates on construction materials 2023, kindly check the description box given below. If you like this video, kindly do subscribe Civil Engineering Shylusupdates. Thank you.